In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide birthday on LinkedIn. We'll walk through this on a desktop browser, and I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. The goal is to control who can see your birthday on your profile, and we'll set it so only you can view it. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then click the official LinkedIn website from the results. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the top of the page for the profile menu labeled Me. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose View Profile. This takes you to your public-facing profile page, where your contact details and personal info are organized. Near the top area of your profile, find and click Contact Info. A small panel will open showing details like your profile URL and other ways people can reach you. In that panel, look for the pencil icon, which is the Edit button, and click it to open the editing window for your contact information. Inside this edit view, scroll until you locate the birthday section. If you don't see a date there, it may mean you never added one, in which case there's nothing visible to others and you're effectively done. If a date is present, you'll also see a visibility control next to it. Click the visibility setting that currently says Your Network. This option makes your birthday visible to your connections and can trigger reminders. To hide it, change that setting to Only You. Selecting Only You means your birthday will no longer be shown on your profile to anyone else, and it prevents it from appearing to your connections. After choosing Only You, click Save at the bottom of the window to apply the change. Saving is important. Without it, the visibility setting won't update. Once saved, you can quickly reopen contact info to double-check that the birthday section now shows Only You. That confirmation lets you know the change is in place. A couple of quick notes for best results. It may take a moment for the setting to reflect everywhere, but it usually updates right away. If someone previously saw your birthday before this change, they might still remember it, but going forward, it won't be visible from your profile. On mobile, the path is similar, and you'll find the same options under your profile's contact info editor. That's it. You've successfully hidden your birthday on LinkedIn, keeping your profile polished while protecting your personal details.